3 more days. Zen, the art of the Hakuin masters, listened to the taste of the one hand clapping. Suiwo, the disciple of Hakuin, was a good teacher. During one summer seclusion period, a pupil came to him from a southern island of Japan. Suiwo gave him the problem. Hear the sound of the one hand clapping. The pupil remained 3 years but could not pass the test. One night he came in tears to Suiwo. I must return south in shame and embarrassment, he said, for I cannot solve my problem. Wait 1 week more and meditate constantly, advised Suiwo. Still no enlightenment came to the pupil. Try for another week, said Suiwo. The pupil observed, but in vain. Still another week, yet this was of no avail. In despair, the student begged to be released, but Suiwo requested another meditation of 5 days. They were without result. Then he said, meditate for 3 days longer. Then if you fail to attain enlightenment, you had better kill yourself. The second day the pupil was enlightened.